CPU cooler, and we've gone with the Thermalright Peerless Assassin. The Thermalright Peerless Assassin 120 is an outstanding CPU cooler, offering excellent cooling performance at a budget-friendly price. Equipped with a dual-tower heatsink and 6.6mm heat pipes, this cooler effectively dissipates heat, making it suitable for high-performance CPUs. The two included 120mm TLC-12 fans operate at a maximum speed of 1550 RPM, delivering an impressive airflow of 66.17 CFM while maintaining a low noise level of 25.6 decibels. The cooler's dimensions are 125 by 135 by 157 millimeters, fitting most mid-tower cases. Installation is straightforward, with support for various Intel and AMD sockets, including LGA 1700, AM4, and AM5. The nickel-plated copper base ensures excellent thermal conductivity, contributing to its top-tier cooling efficiency. In thermal tests, the Peerless Assassin 120 performs on par with more expensive coolers, maintaining low temperatures even under high loads. Now we need